Hello guys, this video was brought to you by Monisalas Exercise. In today's class, we'll be looking at one reliable candlestick pattern called bearish kicker. But before we proceed, I want to use this opportunity to thank those of us who are already members of this wonderful family, Monisalas Exercise. Thank you very much for supporting this channel. Those of us who have not yet subscribed to this channel, please encourage me, at least for the time I spend in making this video, by clicking the subscribe button below. It does not cost money, it is free, so that whenever I release any new video, you will always be the first person to see. Without waiting much longer, let's go straight to the business of the day. Bearish kicker is a bearish trend reversal candlestick pattern that is formed at a resistance after a strong bullish move, signaling end of an uptrend. The bearish kicker pattern is a bearish reversal candlestick pattern. So the pattern must be spotted at a resistance after a strong bullish move. The pattern consists of two different candlesticks of opposite color. The bullish candle followed by the bearish candle. These two candlesticks make up the bearish kicker pattern. The market was dominated by buyers. Buyers were strongly in control. Getting to this point, a bullish candle opened at this point and closed at this point. The next day, a bearish candle opened at the body of the bullish candle and then closed at the open of the bullish candle. This is a signal that buyers are losing momentum. It's a sign of weakness in an uptrend, signaling bearish reversal. Let's go to the chart to look for examples. Let's look at NZD. This is NZD daily time frame. The market was buying. Buyers were fully in control from this point to this point. At this point, a buy candle opened at this level and closed at this level. The next day, sellers came in and a sell candle opened at the body of the buy candle and then closed below the open of the buy candle. These two candles make up bearish kicker. This is a signal that buyers are losing steam. It's a signal that buyers are losing momentum, which is a bearish reversal signal. And this is happening in an area of value. RSI is showing us overbought here, confirming the fact that this market have higher probability of reversing to the downside. Another thing we need again before we take entry, horizontal line. I'll pick horizontal line and drop the horizontal line at the low of this candle that make up the bearish kicker. After dropping the line at the low of the candle that make up the bearish kicker, what next will I do? I will go to any smaller time frame of my choice and wait for a candle to break below the line. If that happens, I will just take a sell, and that is it. After selling, the market sold for a long time. Let's look at how many pips this market made. 295 pips. Another example we need to look at it again is this is another bearish kicker. Buyers were fully in control of this market up to this level. A different sell candle opened at the body of the bullish candle and closed below the open of this bullish candle at this point. This is a signal that the bullish trend is weak, and this is happening in an area of value also. This is area of RSI overbought. So when we see this, we look for entry filter. We pick horizontal line and drop at the low of the sell candle that make up the bearish kicker. When we do that, we go to a smaller time frame and we wait for any candle that will open and close below the line, and then we take a sell. It's as simple as that. And the market sold a whole lot. Another example again that happened here, the market bought up to this point, then a sell candle opened at the body of this bullish candle and closed below the open of this bullish candle. These two candles make up the bearish kicker. I'll pick a trend line tool and I will connect from here and I will extend the line like this. After drawing the line, I will wait for a break of this line in the smaller time frame. I will take entry. This is another example again. This is AUD chef weekly time frame. In AUD chef, buyers were in control of the market. Getting to this point, a bearish candle opened at the body of the bullish candle and closed below the open of the bullish candle. This is a bearish kicker. So when we see this, what do? We pick a trend line and we connect from here to here. The next week, the market broke the trend line. It sold for 2 weeks. Let's look at GBP AUD. This is GBP AUD weekly time frame. From this point, the market has been dominated by buyers. Getting to this level, a bullish candle opened here and closed at this point. The next week, a sell candle opened at the body of the bullish candle and then closed below the open of the bullish candle. This is a signal that this bullish momentum is getting weak. It's a signal that buyers are losing steam. So when we see this is an area of value. RSI is showing us overbought. At this point, we pick a line and we put the line at the low of the candle that make up the bearish kicker, and after putting that line, we narrow down to the smaller time frame for our entry. I don't want this video to be too long. This will be the end of today's class. If you find any value in this video, then encourage me by clicking the subscribe button below so that whenever I release any new video, you will always be the first person to see. Also like and share so that others can also see it. Don't forget to drop your comment at the comment section. Follow me on Facebook for more contents. All the links are below the description of this video. See you in the next class.